Hello, this is Kyle and Miss Laura from the Panama City Beach Library back again with a really cool take and make craft for you guys. This one is for the month of September. It is an apple magnet art craft and they come in 4 different colors, I think.
They do. They come in 4 different colors and 4 different shapes. So this is the full apple that I did. And then there's one that has a bite taken out of it.
It's the green one.
The green. Then there's one that's half.
I think that's the red.
That's the red. Is it the red wavy lines, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then the last one is just the core, and that'll look like that.
So we're going to show you guys how we're going to make a few of these designs. I don't know if we'll get to everyone, but we really hope you enjoy it. Also, these apples were sponsored by the generous donations from the Library Foundation, so thanks for donating.
Did you ever go apple picking?
I've not been apple picking, actually. No. Have you?
I have.
Oh. What time of year do you do apple picking?
Well, usually it's late September, early October. Around the same time when you're going to pick your pumpkin.
Ah, yeah. Harvest time.
Mm-hmm.
What's your favorite kind of apple?
I like green apples.
Oh, okay.
What are your favorite?
Yeah, I prefer like the sweeter
Mm-hmm.
and crisper apples. So
Mm.
like Honey Crisp is really good.
Mm-hmm.
It's just super expensive at every store I try, but it's certainly worth it.
What's your least favorite?
Honestly, probably Red Delicious,
Mm-hmm.
which is kind of surprising, but I think it's because every apple people think is a Red Delicious apple.
Mm-hmm.
You eat so many growing up that you just want something different by the time you get to where I am. What's your least favorite?
I don't know the name of it, but it's red and it's more it's not really round. It's more oval shaped, and they're a little dry. I don't really care for those.
Oh, okay.
Do you have a favorite dessert made of apples?
Instantly apple pie springs to mind,
Mhm.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Apple fritters are good.
Oh, I've never had that.
Yeah, it's fried and delicious, and you can buy them in like fast food places or southern
Oh.
cuisine places.
Mm-hmm.
Really good.
All right, I'll
Really
have to try that.
So thank you guys for watching our apple craft video. What age group do you think these apple crafts are suited toward?
I think that the 3 and 4-year-old, the sail into school class kids would have a great time with these.
And you know, for kids who are older, I have my STEAM videos starting again in the month of October. So you guys might want to do the crafts, but you can definitely be involved in the STEAM video activities. Oh, also, these apples are only available while supplies last, so pick them up when you get here.
And make sure you check out our collection. We've got a couple of suggestions here on apples, and we've got a ton of great autumn books, seasonal books.
Mm-hmm.
So check out the catalog and put something on hold.
Check out some apple books.
That's it.
So thank you guys for watching, and you have a lovely day.